Number 1. The 1959 AMC Rambler, priced at $7,500. Located in Russellville, Arkansas, this classic Rambler features a 6-cylinder engine with a standard shift and runs and shifts well. It comes with a clean title. The seller is open to a sale or possibly a trade, a great opportunity for anyone looking for a unique vintage ride. Click the link in the video description for more details or to make an offer. Number 2. The 1968 Ford Torino GT, priced at $7,500. Located in Staunton, Virginia, this Torino GT features a 351 Windsor engine with an automatic transmission. While it does not have the original motor, it runs and drives well. The odometer shows over 100,000 miles, a solid classic for a buyer looking for a vintage muscle car. Number 3. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $15,000. Located in Irvine, Kentucky, this 1965 Mustang features a 289 engine and automatic transmission, and it runs and drives well. The car is showing around 30,000 miles. It's a sharp-looking classic with no trades accepted, and the seller prefers cash. Number 4. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $16,500. Located in Orient, Ohio, this 1979 Z28 Camaro is equipped with a 468 big block engine and a fresh rebuilt 400 transmission. It features a 10-bolt POSI, Slide-A-Link traction bars, newer jegs wheels, and tires. Additional upgrades include a March pulley setup, Holley-Carb, MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, hooker headers, and Flowmaster exhaust. The interior is in good shape with a custom odometer dash cluster and a quicksilver shifter. Paint is about 8 to 10 years old with some bubbles. Number 5. The 1965 Ford Mustang, priced at $17,400. Located in Zebulon, North Carolina, this T-Code Mustang in Arcadian Blue is an excellent driver's car with manual steering and brakes. The body is solid with no signs of body filler on the fenders or quarter panels, and the cowl is in perfect condition. Recent service includes a dual-pot master cylinder, carburetor rebuild, and coolant flush. Features a Pioneer head unit hidden in the glove box for a factory look. Clean title in the owner's name, needs nothing, and is ready to drive daily. Number 6. The 1968 Ford Mustang, priced at $17,850. Located in Austin, Texas, this classic Mustang comes with a straight 6 200 cubic inch engine, originally purchased by the seller's grandfather in 1968. It has undergone extensive mechanical work including a rebuilt crate engine, new suspension, brakes, electrical system, floor replacement, carburetor, starter, ignition, door locks, and rear end. Local shop repairs ensure reliability. Minimal rust, some cosmetic tweaks needed. A great home is sought for this solid classic. Number 7. The 1953 Chevrolet Belair, priced at $17,900. Located in Acworth, Georgia, this Belair features a 235 Blue Flame engine with matching numbers and approximately 58,000 miles. Runs and drives well with a 12-volt conversion. All gauges, lights, horn, siren, blinkers, and fog lights function, and the air conditioning blows cold. Includes crossbar hubcaps and a vintage swamp cooler. Super solid with no rust. Clean title in the owner's name, ready for its next owner. Number 8. The 1965 Plymouth Sport Fury priced at $20,000. Located in Mascot, Tennessee, this classic features a 383 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. It runs and drives well with Pertronix electronic ignition and a fully functional power top. The interior is in excellent shape, and the chrome is in good condition. Heat works and the air conditioning components are present but need Freon. The front bumper and grille are bent, but a new grille is included. Tires are 5 years old, cash only, no trades. Number 9. The 1970 Buick Skylark, priced at $21,500. Located in Lexington, Kentucky, this well-preserved 54-year-old Skylark is in very good condition with a 350 engine, dual exhaust, and 350 automatic transmission. The interior is clean with no tears, and the top is in good shape. The paint rates 7 out of 10 with a few scratches. Kept indoors most of its life, it runs and drives well. No trades except for a 1966 or 1967 Chevelle. Number 10. The 1965 Ford Thunderbird priced at $23,995. Located in Geneva, Florida. This stunning T-Bird has been fully restored and only has 3,200 miles since the restoration. The exterior is white with a black vinyl top and the interior is perfect turquoise. It features factory air conditioning, power steering, and upgraded Kelsey Hayes vented disc brakes. The V8 engine is a 390 4-barrel with 300 horsepower. It also includes new tires, shocks, a rebuilt carburetor, and a detailed trunk. Clean title in hand. Number 11. The 1967 Ford Fairlane XL priced at $25,000. Located in Gaylord, Michigan. This 1967 Fairlane XL convertible features a 289 V8 engine and automatic transmission. It has a power convertible top with new cylinders and lines, along with recent upgrades including new paint, brakes, tires, carpet, and seat covers. The car has a Florida title in the seller's name and is open to trades, especially for a muscle car or project car. Number 12. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu priced at $35,000. Located in Victor, Iowa. This 1968 Chevelle features a 383-stroker engine with 414 horsepower and a new 350 turbo transmission, both with only about 500 miles. The car has many new upgrades, including upper and lower A-arms, springs, shocks, an aluminum radiator, exhaust, interior, front floor pans, carpet, seats, and a Bluetooth retro radio. The car has a clean title in the owner's name and all paperwork, including a dyno sheet, is available. Number 13. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird priced at $35,000. Located in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. This classic 1955 Thunderbird is a convertible with a red exterior and red and white interior. It features the original V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. With only about 14,000 miles, it has zero rust and is in excellent condition. The car starts right up and drives great. It does need a new top, which is included in the price. Number 14. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro, priced at $48,500. Located in Clarkston, Michigan. This convertible Camaro features a powerful 502 big block engine with a Holley carburetor and a 350 automatic transmission. It has a white diamond tri-coat paint job over the original ermine white, with a new black and white deluxe interior. The car has a power top, manual front Willwood disc brakes, and 17-inch chrome American racing wheels. It's clean with original unpatched floor pans and trunk pan, making it a great find for any collector. Open to trades with a slightly higher trade price. Number 15. The 1963 Chevrolet Corvette, priced at $64,900. Located in Port Huron, Michigan. This 1963 Corvette convertible is finished in Riverside red with a white convertible top and includes a hard top. It has undergone an older restoration and has been driven sparingly. The factory numbers matching 327 engine and transmission were recently rebuilt, and the car also features a fresh interior, new fuel pump, and new brakes. The frame is in excellent condition and everything works as it should. Some minor detail work is needed to make it perfect.